संसारदावानललितलोकात्रणाय कारुण्यकनाकनत्वं प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। महाप्रभु कीर्तनृत्य गीतां वादित्रमार्चान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकाम्पाश्रुतरङ्गभाजो वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानां शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादौ युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। चतुर्विधाश्रीं भगवत्प्रसादं स्वादन्नतृप्तं हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैवं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायो माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्नां प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. So this pratikshana aswadana should happen. There is always some aswadana going on, every moment, relishment going on in our chitta. What is it that, what rasa is happening? Is it jada rasa happening in the chitta? Or is it Bhagavad rasa? Pratikshana. That we have to see. We want only Bhagavad rasa to go on in our chitta. Bhagavad rasa, the desire to have Bhagavad rasa to go on chitta, and the Bhagavad rasa coming and sitting in us, so that rasa can go on. That comes when we realize how dirty we have become with no Bhagavad rasa inside at all. And when we call out and when we beg, Hey Bhagavan, Shri Harinam Prabhu, kindly, very kindly purify me. And when the japa goes in that state, then we realize, so this is supposed to be the original consciousness, Vaikuntha consciousness. So what is going on in this chitta? When one wakes up to that fact and continue to beg, then the Bhagavad rasa will continue, will stay within us. Beg for Bhagavad rasa. Nikunjayo no ratikeli sithai ayali bir yukti rapekshaniyam tatrati daksha tativallabhasya vande guru shri charanarvindam. Sakshatare tvena samasta shastre yuktastada bhavyatena sadbhim Kintu prabhuya priyayaiva tasyam vande guru shri charanarvindam. Any katha of the Lord, Krishna katha, it sits in the heart longer and gives bhakti rasa when the heart is purified by nama. Then the katha will sit in the heart giving the rasa. So it is very important that we see that the heart is purified during the Nam Bhajan. So when the Katha is there, it will come and sit. Sakshat haritvenam samasta shastre yuktastada bhavyatena sadbhim kintu prabhuya priyayaiva tasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Yasya prasado bhagavat prasadam, yasya prasado nagati kutopi, dhyayam tuvam tasya yasya trisandhyam, vande guru shrim charanarvindam. Shri Guru is like an auspicious cloud giving us waters of Krishna. He is always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan in the Nama, and Bhagavan in Sri Vigraha, Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. And at every moment he is relishing this Bhagavat Seva Rasa. Bhagavat Seva Rasa. Only when there is this Bhagavat Seva Rasa relishment, then the Nama Rupa Guna Lila will be revealed. The Seva Rasa. Bhagavat Seva Rasa. Shri Guru is the Radhika Presaki, and he comes as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti and bestows all the mercy of Bhagavan. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.